Hello, dear student. Myself Vikas Kumar. Solubility. First, we will discuss about. First, we will discuss about what is solubility. Maximum amount of solute dissolved in a specific amount of solvent of solution. It is called solubility. Now, one by one, we will discuss about solubility of solids in liquids, solubility of gases in liquids. First, solubility of solids in liquids, and second is solubility of gases in liquids. So one by one we will discuss solubility of solids in liquids, solubility of gases in liquids. So you can take a screenshot. Now first topic is solubility of solids in liquid. Solubility of solids in liquids. Now solubility of solids in liquids affected by these factors. First factor, nature of solutes and solvents. Second factor, temperature or effect of temperature, and third factor is effect of pressure. These three factors affected solubility of solids in liquids. So you can take a screenshot. One by one we will discuss. First, second and third we can write, and one by one we will discuss. So first we will discuss about nature of solutes and solvent. So solubility of solids in liquids affected by nature of solutes and solvents. Polar solute dissolved in polar solvents. NaCl solid dissolved in H2O liquid. Here NaCl is polar dissolved with water. Here NaCl is polar dissolved in water. Both are polar. So from like dissolve like principle, polar dissolving polar, non-polar dissolving non-polar. So polar solute dissolving polar solvents. You can take a screenshot. Now next point is non-polar solutes dissolved in non-polar solvents like wax in oil. Here wax is non-polar dissolved in oil. Oil is also non-polar. Okay. So from like dissolved like theory, polar dissolving polar, non-polar dissolving non-polar. So you can take a screenshot. Now the next point is effect of. Now the second point is effect of temperature. Second point is effect of temperature. Temperature is affected by solubility of solids in liquids. If delta H is greater than 0, then reaction is endothermic. Then solubility of solids in liquids increase with increase in temperature. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now in another case, if value of delta H is less than value of 0, then reaction is exothermic. Then solubility of solids in liquids decrease with increase in temperature. Okay, you can take a screenshot once again. Whenever reaction is exothermic, then solubility of solids in liquid decrease with increase in temperature. Value of delta H less than 0. Now the third factor is pressure. The third factor is solids and liquids are highly incompressible. So solubility of solids in liquids unaffected by pressure.